Hi, my name is Dean Stockberger from Brot and Wurst. I'm producing German bread and German small goods. Brot and Wurst means bread and sausages, with ingredients that are basically from Germany. Well, I've been born in the Black Forest, learned the butcher trade with my brother-in-law, got taught from his father the old-fashioned way of making good quality sausages and good quality hams. And my lifelong dream was, when I arrived in Australia, basically to have my own shop and best quality in small goods. Everything we're doing is European, I call German, Austrian, Swiss. And the most unique is the way we're producing our sausages, because we do not put any other ingredients in, and also we have the bread at the same time. And the quality of the sausages are the quality of meat. The better the meat, the better the sausage. And we put no ingredients, no flours, no colorings, no preservatives. So that means also the products are gluten-free and at a high standard. The key to a good sausage would be the ingredients, definitely the meat, and the way you process the sausage, because you don't want to over-process it, you don't want to overpower the flavor. And I think definitely the key to a good sausage is it is made good by me, and then later on really cooked nice by my customers. And we also try to educate our customers how to cook a sausage. And number one, you should not cut the sausage in half, and you should not overcook it. A sausage should be treated like a meat, like a steak. So you cook it just for the right temperature on the core and leave it nice and golden on the outside. Our sausages do not to be pierced or cut, because no fat will run out, because there's not much fat in it. And the sausage is basically full of meat, and they will stay in shape exactly as they are, so there's no need for cutting them. I started this because after arriving in Australia and living here for 2 months, I missed a good quality butcher shop that smells nice, that got good spice mixes, good sausages, and I missed to eat a really nice sausage myself. And what inspired me was to open up my own place and selling a product that nobody else makes in Australia, or very little. Well, that's a very typical pork bratwurst in Germany, and just pork meat and ingredients, they're spices and salt. And the salt works for us as a preservative and also a binder. Well, we're producing for the Snake Stand in Pitt Street in Sydney. And I must say I'm very proud doing this, because finally there's another company that's trying to, or helping me, to put a different image on a sausage. Because the sausage in Australia got a very bad name as a banger, and people call it a rubbish bin. And I think the Snack Stand is doing exactly what we're doing, cooking a sausage and preparing a sausage to the highest standard, and give it an outstanding look and taste. At the moment, Brot and Wurst means my life, because it is a dream that comes almost, well, to its perfection. And if you dream of something for such a long time and finally you can fulfill it, I think it makes you quite happy. I'm passionate about to do my sausages. I love doing it, and I love to get a response from the customers. It is not necessarily always about the money. Sometimes it's about pride.